If you want to change your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra system language into Chinese, Arabic, Spanish, French, Japanese, Korean, etc., or maybe you have accidentally changed it to some other language, so let's go ahead and switch it back to English. Alright guys, so if you've accidentally changed it, just tap on this full icon or settings, scroll down till the end, and then enter this option with 3 horizontal lines. That's General Management. And then the first option, Language. If English is not showing up in here, just tap on Add Language. From this list of languages, you can look for English, or from the search icon, you can manually search for English language. And when prompted, select a region. You will be redirected to the language section. To apply it as a default one, just select the second option, which is set as default. If you're a multilingual and if you want to add multiple languages in this section, you can add them by following the exact same procedure. And whenever you want, you can switch back to another language, just tap on it and then tap on this apply button. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.